In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. This is perfect if you want more control over the wording on your checkout page, or if you're offering free shipping and don't want that default message confusing your customers. We're not changing your actual shipping rates here, just the text that appears, so follow along carefully. First, open your Shopify admin and log into your store. Once you're on your main Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Online Store. This is where you manage how your store looks, including your themes and the text that appears in different areas. On the Online Store page, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Next to the Customize button, there's an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with more options related to your theme. In that drop-down, select Edit Default Theme Content. This is sometimes called language or theme content settings, and it controls the wording for buttons, messages, and notices all across your store, including the checkout. Once that page opens, look for a section called Sections. It may be listed in a sidebar or as a category you can select. Click on Sections to filter the text fields so you only see content related to different sections of your store layout. Now scroll down until you find the area that mentions duties, taxes, and shipping for checkout. You're looking specifically for the field called something like Taxes Included Shipping at Checkout with Policy HTML. Click into that text field. This is where Shopify stores the shipping calculated at checkout message, sometimes along with extra policy text. Delete the existing text in that field. If you'd like to replace it with your own message, you can type something clearer for your customers, like free shipping on all orders, or shipping calculated before final payment. If you don't want anything to appear there at all, simply enter a single full stop so the field isn't left completely empty. Next, repeat this process for any other fields in the same area that mention taxes and shipping at checkout. Open each relevant field, remove the default wording, and either replace it with your own text or use a full stop if you want it effectively hidden. When you're finished updating all the fields, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Give it a moment to apply the changes, then preview your checkout to confirm that the shipping calculated at checkout message has been removed or updated to your liking.